4, 27, 25. We won on one, the top one. Look, it's coming out. Woohoo! We use this thing called Epeli bolt nut removal set. It's not even a name brand. This is Gear Wrench. This is Irwin. Good stuff. This is probably Chinese stuff. But it did the job. We used a 14 millimeter, which is the same as 9/16. Well, not the same, but similar. And it came out. I'm so happy. Now we just got to do one more on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to put away the phone because I got to really focus on this. But pretty much, I heated it up with some MAP gas. Voila, propane. Heat it up. And then PB blaster inside here. And now we're going to go for the bottom. I'm going to heat this one up too.